natutunan ko sa Bible is man is made up of body, soul, and spirit. Man is not only a physical being. Of course, it happened during the fall that man became a physical being. Pero actually, when God created man, He breathed into his nostrils His spirit. And therefore, man became a spiritual being. And therefore, meron tayong relationship kay God na kailangan nating in-nourish. If we are in relationship with God through Jesus Christ, we have to nourish our spirit being via the Word of God, by meditating on the Word of God daily. On His goodness, on His faithfulness, we have to meditate on that. Just like our physical being, we have to do exercises. Minsan hindi natin napapansin na yung palang exercise natin nagbubunga, parang walang effect kasi matagal. It's gradual. In the same way, yung spirit being natin, akala natin walang nangyayari when we meditate on God's goodness, on His Word. Pero ang totoo nun, nagbabago yung ating soul part. Yung ating soul part is the seat of mind, will, and emotion. We make choices based on what is in our mind, based on our emotions. Kung hindi natin na-feed yung spirit being natin ng Word of God, our emotions are based on the past. Pero ang gusto ni Lord, our thinking should be based on what He sees from His perspective so that we can make the right decision.